Hello everyone, welcome to Travelmaker TV. Today I'm here at the University of Alicante, Spain. I am going to ask you some question about the Spanish stereotype to the Spanish student here. The question is, do you eat paella every day? So let's get started. Hello, so do you eat paella every day?
No, I eat maybe 2 times a week.
2 times a week?
No, I
Okay.
don't.
You don't.
No.
The Sundays.
I don't like
family.
paella.
Oh, you don't like paella?
No.
And you eat paella every Sunday?
Yes, with the family.
Oh, with family.
Not every day. Normally I eat paella at the weekends.
No, every day no. 1 time a week.
I don't eat paella every day, but every week.
Oh, every week you eat paella. So when do you eat paella?
Yeah, every Saturday.
Oh, you eat every Saturday?
Yeah.
Like a family meal.
Yeah, it's a family meal.
No, we don't eat paella every day.
How about you? Do you eat paella every day?
I don't eat paella every day.
I miss him.
So, like, usually you made a paella homemade or you purchased it in Mercado or something?
No, I prefer homemade.
Homemade, that's great.
I don't eat paella.
yeah.
My family eat every Sunday and eat in home.
Okay, how about you?
I sometimes go to a restaurant to have paella, but usually I have paella with my family in home.
My grandmother made it.
Oh, so your grandmother made it. That's great. Is it really delicious, isn't it?
Yes,
Like,
I like it.
okay, perfect.
I would never buy paella in a supermarket and hardly ever eat paella in a restaurant. I always eat my aunt's paella or my dad's.
Okay, so like a homemade paella.
Yeah, homemade paella, of course.
That's great. Do you know how to make a paella?
I know the basic steps to making a paella, but I don't know how to make the whole paella.
I know how to do the perfect paella.
Same.
No, I don't.
Okay, so usually your parents or grandma make a paella?
Yes, it's usually my dad, but my mom knows how to make one too.
I want to know to do paella, and I want to ask my mother how she do the paella because I like I like much paella.
Somehow, I think so, yeah. I think I could manage to do paella with someone, but not on my own.
Okay, and the last question is that like people think Spanish people eat the paella like most of the day. So it's, what do you think about this typical stereotype?
I think it's a bit ridiculous, but it's not offensive because paella is really good and healthy. So I'm kind of proud of that stereotype.
Well, it's like, I don't know, I don't think that American eat everyday hamburger.
Yeah.
Well, I know that they have it, or they usually eat it, but not every day.
Yeah.
It's like, we eat a lot of things, I don't know.
What do you think?
I think that we have a lot of typical foods in Spain to have only paella.
Paella
Okay.
is like when you are with all your family.
Oh yeah, family.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's like one day in the week you are with all the family and you eat paella, but not every family. So it's
Okay, so it depends on the family,
Yeah.
but most of the family.
I think it's not normal that one person eat paella every day.
Oh,
But if that stereotype is true, I don't know.
Paella is just for the Valencian community, so I think it's traditional, but it's not for all the Spanish people.
to sum up, many people said they eat paella every weekend, which is homemade and not store-bought. And also people know how to make it paella, but most of the time their relatives or parents make it. I thought people eat paella once or twice a month, but surprisingly, they eat paella every weekend. So thank you very much for people who participate in this interview, and I will see you next time.